Hey everybody, I am Allie Doran with Miss Allie's Kitchen. Today we are making Italian sausage with venison. This recipe is in my cookbook, Venison Every Day. It's a fantastic way to use up ground venison. I have some ground venison here and I also have some ground pork. It's really traditional in Italian sausage to have pork in there, so we're gonna add it. It makes the flavor really mild and texturally it gets everything nice and juicy. So to this mixture of meat, I'm also gonna add some fresh parsley. I love the addition of fresh herbs here. After adding in my fresh parsley, it's as simple as adding a seasoning blend that I've just made from pantry ingredients. I've got some coconut sugar, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, red pepper flakes, thyme, and oregano all in here, and they're just gonna go right in. I've also included some salt and pepper as well. The next thing I'm gonna do is mix everything together. I've got 2 forks here. I feel like this works really well, but I'm probably gonna need to use my hands. Whatever you wanna do is fine, but just know, hands are always usually best with something like this. So I'm gonna go in. So now this is all mixed up. An easy way to also do this is just put it in the food processor. That makes things really nice and fast and simple, and we're not gonna case this sausage. I like to make it loose. I always cook with Italian sausage out of the casing when I'm making pasta or soups, and it's also really good to make meatballs with as well. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my stove on, and then I've got a pan over top. I'm gonna heat it over medium heat. Okay, so my sausage is all cooked up and now it's ready to use however I want. Like I said, you can use this in pastas, you can use this in soups, or before you cook this, you can roll the mixture into meatballs and use the meatballs in Italian wedding soups, spaghetti and meatballs, whatever you want to do. If I'm not going to use it right away, you can actually freeze it cooked. That works wonderfully. So there's so many ways to use this super versatile venison Italian sausage recipe. Again, the recipe is in my cookbook, Venison Every Day. Make sure you pick up a copy wherever books are sold, Cabela's and Bass Pro. I'm Allie Doran. Thanks for watching.